Now, let's look at another menu variation, the flatbreads. Using the richest 7-inch pizza dough, store the product frozen at 0 to 10 degrees. Remove the desired amount of 7-inch sheets from the freezer, spray the parchment paper with a vegetable spray, and pan in a 2x3 pattern. Repeat the procedure, spraying the dough and paper, stacking no more than 4 high on a sheet pan. Cover with oiled plastic, thaw overnight in a cooler. To create the flatbreads, pull the thawed dough from the cooler and allow the dough to reach room temperature. Shape the 7-inch pre-sheeted dough into a 10 by 5-inch rectangle by tossing in flour. Place on a parchment-lined sheet pan and let stand at room temperature uncovered for 30 to 60 minutes. After that time, stretch slightly to break the skin and form cracks on the dough. Brush with 1 teaspoon of blended olive oil and sprinkle with 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Bake in a 525-degree conveyorized impingement oven for 4 minutes or until golden brown. Remove from the oven and cool to room temperature and use as directed by your recipe catalog. There is an additional procedure for creating a flatbread. Following the dough handling procedures previously described, we will thaw the dough overnight and pull the dough to bring to room temperature and to allow to double in size. Stretch the dough to an 8-inch round and brush with blended olive oil and a shake of pepper. Place the dough on a preheated charbroiler or grill for approximately 2.5 minutes. Brush the bottom side with oil and pepper, then flip over to finish baking an additional 2.5 minutes. Hold covered at room temperature for up to 24 hours. For other variations and cooking methods, refer to the Sodexo recipe collection.